Hello and welcome to the Online Ambassador platform. My name is Ados Michael. How are you doing today? Hope you and the family are doing great. On our episode today, I would like to discuss with you on how to stop people from adding you into a WhatsApp group. Well, just like me too, I have been getting same issues happening on and on and on and on again, and I never know what to do and how to prevent this from happening until the ordinary president, the voice of the voiceless, the founder, Brekete Family, and Human Rights Radio 101.1 FM, redefining broadcasting, talked about this issue of adding people into a WhatsApp group without their consent, and it got me thinking, is it possible to actually stop this from happening? Voila, I discovered, yeah, it's very possible. So I decided to create a video that will show you step by step on how you also can prevent this from ever happening again. From now, you will be the one to approve if anyone is actually sending you an invitation to join a group. You will either say yes or you can actually decline. So right now, I would like to take you on a ride to a practical step-by-step on how you can make this happen on your phone. So follow me to my WhatsApp dashboard. Right now, you need to make sure you are having the latest version of Android phone being downloaded and installed on your phone, or the also latest version of the iPhone from the iOS store, so you can also have the latest version. And I can also tell you to actually get the WhatsApp for Business app. I think that also comes in with a lot of features that will enable you to actually make this happen. All right, so if you're on your WhatsApp section where all this you see is a lot of chats. Now, why you're seeing only one looking at you right now is because I actually set up this very particular demo just for you. So I just activate this very particular line and just want to make sure I show you how that will happen. Right now, this is the chat section, this is the status section, and also this is the call section. We all get familiar, I'm sure, with how this works, but that's not what we're talking about today. All I wanted to do right now is to move right now to this part, these three dots that you see here looking at you. Click on this dot on the top right and scroll down to the settings section here like this. Click setting and it will bring you to this section. Now once you come down here, you need to click this part that say account. You click account, and also on the account section you also do what? Click privacy. Now when you click privacy, you scroll down, you see group. Now you click group, you find out that the group is actually telling you who can add me to a group. Now you see on the default wise, it shows everybody. Now you can decide to say, no, I want only my contacts actually to add. What if your contact person also decided to go and create a group that you don't want to be part of? So the last one is the option I want you to choose. This one that says my contact accept. So you click on this part that said my contact accept. Get to know that the moment you do that, admin who can't add you into a group will do what? Have no option than to do what? Invite you privately instead. So it's not left for you to say, okay, what is the group about? Okay, I don't think I'm interested, and you can ignore. Or, oh, okay, fine, that's good, I want to be part of it. Then you cannot accept the invitation. So what you need to do right now is to click on this third option that says my contact accept. So you do what? Click on it. It will now redirect you to all your contacts. Now, like I told you, this is just a demo, so I just have only one contact. But of course, if you just did the same thing that I did, it will show all the contact. Even if there are 10,000 contacts, they will all show here. Now, you don't need to start selecting them one at a time like this. No, just leave all this part and just go up to this part, these three dots here that has also a check mark, this one here. Click on it. It will automatically select all the contacts, no matter how many they are. You see, it's just one I have. It's saying one contact excluded. So if they are 1 million, 10 million, it will also say that 10 million contact what? Excluded. Then you go do what? On this green check mark, you click on it, then it will update. At the end of the day, nobody can ever add you into a group without your permission anymore. Well, this all thanks to the ordinary president, because for me, I also have been a victim, even though I'm a tech savvy, but I never thought if there is a way that can be done. I just felt, well, it's one of those things, just anyhow, let it just be. But I discovered that it's very possible and it's very easy. In fact, the future is right here in your front. So until I come your way again next time, I still remain your one and only Ados Michael, aka the Online Ambassador. Please subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell next to the channel so that when next I'm also publishing new videos, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you. Please give a thumbs up and like this video, share with friends and families. Who will be the one to say, hey, I don't want to be part of this group? Decline. Yeah, I want to be part of this group. Accept. I think that is better, right?